Hi all. Welcome to my channel Edu-based Trainings, and today we are going to look at how to use KPI Visual in Power BI. So I'll first share my screen. Please give me a moment. Right. So this is the Power BI screen, visual screen, and I've already added a sales table data over here. So under Home Insert, I'll select this KPI Visual. I'll just elaborate this a bit so that it's more easy to understand. Now in build a visual section for values, I'll put in a numerical parameter. Let me put in total profit. Now in trend section, I'll use a date val parameter. So I'll put in order date. And for target, let me create a new measure for the target section. So I'll go over here, new measure. Measure is basically used for on a runtime basis till the table one is there. So I'll write T TAG profit, let's say. It's equal to sum of, so I'll select total profit. Let's say I want my target to be 1.5 times the total profit value. Now, when I press enter, what I'll see that the KPI will turn into a red section. Okay. Before that, I'll need to add this. Sorry. Yeah. Now, what I see that the KPI parameter makes the visual turn into red since my goal was not met by 33.33%. Now, suppose if I change my target to zero 0.8 times. Now, if I press enter, it will change to a green color because I have exceeded my target by 25%. So by default, these colors are there. So this is how I can use the KPI visual in Power BI to represent my key performance indicators. I hope this was helpful. And please do like this video if you found it good enough for you. And please do subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos on Power BI capabilities. Thank you guys for your valuable time.